This video is definitely going to be quick because just a little above freezing. I'm laying on the ground here to help you guys out with a couple problems I've had over the days and years with my twin troller. You guys, if you're just in public reservoirs, you probably won't have any issues with this, or minimal. One, two, and three different issues that could cause your twin troller to make a lot of racket when you're on the water. And I experienced the third one for the first time just the other day, and took me a minute to figure that one out. The first one, which almost everybody's going to encounter at some point in time, is getting debris somewhere caught up between the grate and the motors, and that'll make a racket. And the quick and easy fix that'll resolve that almost every time, quit going forward, kick it into reverse, and that'll knock it out almost always. And also that'll help you out with getting rid of a bunch of weeds sometimes. Not massive infestations, but it'll help out with that. The second, which again, I fish this a whole lot more than you probably will, and a lot harder and over a lot more debris and junk, but the soldering wasn't done quite as well with this one grate as the others. You could spend some money, unless you got the equipment, to solder this back into place. I tried several different adhesives. Frustrating. Simple, easy, cheap solution I wish I would have thought of in the first place. Simply 2 zip ties crossed over each other, cinched tight. That's it. And got that noise problem taken care of. Had another one the other day. I thought that it was going to be these zip ties having rotted, coming loose on me, making a racket again, reverberating. What it was one of these grates had gotten pushed up and was actually banging against the boat. That's what was causing the noise yesterday. Real simple fix there. You just pull these grates back. These things are easily moved by hand. You don't have to be a He-Man to pull them back if they ever get pushed too far up and get to making that noise. So those are the three things I've had in over 7 years of experience with twin troller making noise with the motors engaged. Hope this helps you out, and if it does and you'd like to let me know, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks, and have a blessed day.